Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ensuring your iPhone screen is bright enough is essential for clear visibility, especially in well-lit environments or outdoor setting. The first method is using the control center. You can access the control center on an iPhone with Face ID, that is iPhone X and later, by swiping down the upper right corner of the screen. Next, you look for the brightness slider, usually represented by a sun icon. Drag the slider up to increase the brightness. Another method is adjusting through setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Next, you scroll down and tap display and brightness. Now you can use the slider under brightness to adjust the screen brightness to your preferred level. You can also enable auto brightness. Head over to the setting app again. Now you scroll down and tap accessibility. Now locate display and text size and tap on it. Then you scroll to the bottom and juggle on auto brightness. This feature automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on your surroundings. Additional tips for screen brightness. In the setting app, go to display and brightness. Toggle on the true tone. This feature adjusts the color and intensity of your display to match the ambient light, making the screen easier on your eyes. You can also consider enabling night shift from the same menu, which reduces blue light in the evening, which can make the screen appear softer and easier to view at night. And that's it guys, adjusting the brightness on your iPhone is simple and can be done in just a few steps. Whether through the control center setting or by enabling auto brightness, you can ensure your screen is always at the optimal brightness for every situation. Enjoy a clearer and more vibrant display on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.